Hello, we are here for one more lesson of this AutoCAD 2016 training course, and the topic for today will be the divisions on curves. I could show you this topic on a very simple curve as a line or even an arc, but I've done a spline to show you that we can use also this command on a very special curve like a spline, as you already understood. So the idea here is to show you two possibilities to divide, not physically, but to put points on top of an entity, in this case a spline, and the two options are divide the entity in a number of equal parts or simply measure a given distance over this entity and put points every time the system finds that distance. So because I'm mentioning that the idea is to put points on top of the entity, I should come and make a new definition of the point style, because the standard point style is a single point, and if I put a point on top of this, then I will not see anything. So I will put something else, other kind of point. It doesn't matter which one. So here it is. Now if I go to draw, I have these two functions. The first one here is called the divide. In the divide, I choose the entity and then asks me for how many segments I want to divide this curve. So if I say, for example, 8, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 equal parts, okay? The idea, if I have these points now, it's to be able to use them. For example, if I choose the function node, okay, I get the point. This is the first function. The second function, it's a little different. Instead of divide, it's called measure. I can choose also the object, and now I can specify a length, okay? For example, 50 millimeters, and 50, 50, 50, and it will continue to mark 50 until it has no more space, okay? As you can see, in either of the commands, divide or measure, the entity is not physically divided. So we've just put points on top of the entity. And again, I will not show you again, but I have the point now, and I could use the function node to get any of these points. So this is very easy but very useful, and you can use these both functions in any type of entity you have inside AutoCAD.